Good morning, traders. This is Zach with Three Peaks Trading. This morning, still on paper trading, I've been looking at kind of two different stocks. BNGO had a high of $1.80, and we're just about to 30 seconds until the bell here. So I've kind of been watching this one, and then also CLVS, which had a bit of a pop. It has really high float, but it does seem to be moving pretty well. So I'm going to just keep an eye on both of these for the breakout. That is a lot of volume on a red candle. So I also want to get the scan going. Not really what I'm worried about. I think once I get a little more experience, I'll definitely try and get into using my dual monitor a little bit more often, throwing up a second chart over there so I could kind of watch these things at the same time and see how they unfold. I'm not very confident in either of these stocks given how they went off of the first opening minutes. I'll try and keep an eye on them, but it's not really jumping out on me. And now it's kind of a waiting game. Not really sure why that's showing up with a positive % change. Must be missing something. And oh, this is one of the OTC stocks, so I don't want anything to do with that. I like the volume coming in here. would be looking to hop in about $1.20, but I'm not liking the amount of resistance here. That's something I ran into a couple days ago, and I just don't think it's going to go in my favor. I could be looking maybe $1.21 and just try and like wait for this to break, catch it on the way up, but then I might run into issues with the order executing kind of later after it's kind of jumped up. I really don't like how much volume came in on this red candle. I'm a little nervous right now. I don't know if I should just be hopping straight out or holding it through. I still like the flag that it's set up here, but I expected this to start the run, not for it to continue sideways after that. Okay, that was quite a big loss. I'll keep an eye on that chart because I'm interested to see where it goes, but it's possible I just had my stop a little too close. However, it was coming up on the high of day, which obviously creates some sort of resistance. That's some serious support there. The volume of this stock is just insane. Seems a little crowded though because of that. It's like a tug of war. That was a little later than I wanted to be in, but $1. I wonder if I should have stayed in this. I just didn't like how bouncy it got, so I tried to take some profit, and then it obviously kept bouncing around there, which scared me even further. But also seeing some of the numbers, the size of the numbers creating resistance over here was a little nerve-wracking to me. I'll definitely be looking for another pullback on this because it is showing very strong support now. And there it is. So I'll be looking just over $1.40. I don't like how many decimal points are here. I can quickly jump into $1.40 all the way up here. How do I find? There it is. Is there a way to make this automatically jump around again? Maybe it already is. Quite some resistance at $1.37, but I think if it breaks through that, it'll probably make a pretty nice move quickly. So now looking for $1.38. I'm still happy to see that there's the most volume on the green candle. This is going to pull back a bit, and then hopefully we'll get strong volume as we rip by $1.38. I'll be looking for the purchase at $1.38, which that might have been premature given the size of this. Well, it's pulling away quickly. There's just so much volume in this stock though. Only because that's scaring me. did I just top back out so quickly? And it looks like it might have been the correct call. So I'm curious to see how I've done overall on the day. I'm probably not hopping back in here just because the sheer volume of trading going on back and forth here is terrifying to me. I just don't know how to predict it. It does seem to be setting up pretty nice candles, and I'd love to be following this, but I think that this VWAP moving average, I'm not sure, will create some resistance. I know I have VWAP turned on, but I don't really understand what moving average is in comparison to VWAP. And I don't know if VWAP's actually even important to me. It seems to be creating resistance, though, just based on how the chart's been moving since then. When did this jump up to $1.50, though? I didn't even see it go by. It had just torn through almost like 20,000 shares, so I was really expecting a big jump up. This is why I should have stuck to my guns and stayed out of this stock. Although it seems to be moving for me. Maybe I just have no idea what I'm doing. Which is definitely true. So maybe break over $1.50. I'll be looking at like $1.51. Like once this stuff breaks, I might be interested in hopping back in. It just keeps moving, so I may as well take it up on the offer. I am nervous the $1.50 market is going to create pretty big resistance. Just that subconscious resistance that like the $0.50 or the full dollar makes a difference. I'd be interested in checking out CLVS again, but for now I want to keep watching this pool since this seems to be pretty nice. We're up over 20 cents already. Yeah, that's starting to break my hopes over here. It did have a nice run though. That's $23-ish to $1.50, so 27-cent run. And I think I hopped in here for maybe half of this pool, chunk of this pool, and I don't remember if I actually hopped in on here. I think I did a little bit. Yeah, I did. So I think I was up $10 on this today. However, I lost $21 over here. So still negative on the day. I have not had a green day yet, but that's why we're learning. That's why I'm on paper trading. Those did not update. What was the other one? VREOF. I'm not trading an OTC stock, and why is this not saving? Interesting. This just doesn't move like I need it to for my strategy. There are a lot of stocks coming in today. Oh, this has 16-cent spread. I don't feel comfortable trading that. And it's just slow moving. The volume's just way too low. Anyway, I think that's probably it for today. I believe I'm down $11 total. I lost $21 right off the start here on JAKK, and then made back $10 through 3 different trades on BNGO. It'd be neat if we could see that kind of recapped a little cleaner. That does not give me a lot. Oh, this is interesting. Here I can see everything I've messed up for the day, or for this account. A lot of them are showing zeros here. Oh, because well, I didn't trade S&D today. So this seems a little off, but I'll keep looking into that, and maybe I could give better recaps at the end of my videos. Well, thanks for tuning in. Please like the video if you learned anything from this. Subscribe to keep up to date with all of my daily trading, and I hope to see you tomorrow.